On 15 July, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Rudraksh Convention Center, which is a symbol of friendship between India and Japan. The Varanasi International Cooperation and Convention Center, in short VCC, will serve as a platform for knowledge exchange sessions for local people and for visitors to the city. Noting the pace of development in Kashi, PM Modi has referred to this convention center as a creative and dynamic structure built with the assistance of Japan. The Prime Minister also said that this center shows the strong connection between India and Japan. He lauded Japan's effort in helping to build the convention center.
इस इमारत में आधुनिकता की चमक भी है और सांस्कृतिक आभा भी है। इसमें भारत जापान रिश्तों का कनेक्ट भी है और भविष्य के लिए अनेकों संभावनाओं का स्कोप भी है। मेरी जापान यात्रा के समय हमने दोनों देशों के रिश्तों में पीपल टू पीपल रिलेशंस में इसी अपनेपन की बात कही थी। हमने जापान से ऐसे ही सांस्कृतिक संबंध की रूपरेखा खींची थी।
Now let's go over the unique features of Rudraksh to know how it symbolizes the Sanskritic essence of Varanasi as a huge global center of music, religion, spirituality and knowledge science. The JICA assisted Varanasi International Cooperation and Convention Center, called Rudraksh, is a well-equipped convention center comprising of the main hall with a full flying tower, a seating capacity of 1200 persons, a gallery, meeting rooms and parking for 120 cars. Rudraksh will exhibit a glimpse of the wonderful and ancient city of Kashi. In fact, the roof of this convention is shaped like a Shiva Linga. The convention center has been installed with 108 Rudrakshas and the entire building will glow with LED lights at night. This two-story convention center is built at the Port Sigra area on 2.87 hectares of land and is ideal for holding international conferences, exhibition, music concerts, etc. The gallery is decorated with murals depicting Varanasi's art, culture and music. The main hall is built in such a way that it can be partitioned into smaller spaces when required. Rudraksh is an environment-friendly hub for cultural integration. It is planned to be an environment-friendly building and is fit for level 3 of green rating for integrated habitat assessment called GRIHA. It is endowed with maximum security and safety systems with a regular entrance, a service entrance and a separate VIP entrance, making it an ideal destination for holding all types of international conventions. As the Prime Minister has said, Rudraksh has been built with an aim to strengthen Varanasi's competitiveness by developing its tourism sector. It is going to provide opportunities for social and cultural interactions between people at the International Convention Center in the city. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such remarkable updates from all across India.